Gurgaon is actually it's like a collage. Many builders have come in and they have built. The authority is trying to fill up and connect all of them together.
सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम अगर है टाउन के अंदर तो CND वेस्ट, म्यूनिसिपल वेस्ट की है।
गली गली इतना कचरा फैला हुआ है, तो हम लोग पन्नी में डाल के और वो कूड़ेदान होता है ना, उसमें जाके डाल देते हैं।
It is difficult actually because we don't have bins.
जब हम मिक्स वेस्ट कर देते हैं, सपोज कागज़ है, ठीक है, वो रिसाइकेबल है, लेकिन जब हमने उसको गीले कचरे में भी मिला दिया तो वो सारा ख़राब हो जाएगा।
इम्पॉसिबल लगता था कि ये हो नहीं पाएगा। यार ये क्या है, क्या लगा रखा है तुमने, गीला सूखा ये सब कुछ, कोई इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है।
So if you look at the Alag Karo program, there are 5 major steps that we run with. So we start with a baseline audit. So basically to understand what is existing, what is happening. This includes understanding the infrastructure, understanding how the people have a habit of throwing their waste. Then we come up with recommendations that what are the good practices for actually having a collection of source segregated waste. We ask the RWA to make those investments. When we know that the capex is being built up, the infrastructure is being built up, we kickstart our awareness sessions. We form a group of volunteers. We would want them to take up the ownership, so they get an intensive training from us so that they are capable of addressing all issues of that society. We do awareness sessions with residents. We do awareness sessions with the housekeeping staff. We also train the maids, the cooks, the full-time maids, the security guards, so that everybody in that society they know what is it to be done. Apart from giving mass awareness messages, door-to-door visits also happen with the volunteers. Then basically there is a date given to the residents that from this day segregation collection will start and you need to start giving segregated waste. So collection starts happening in a segregated manner, and also build a feedback mechanisms that they should be able to give it there and there to a resident if the resident is not segregating properly, and that is monitored and a regular feedback is given. It is also transported to its destination in a segregated manner. A destination could be an on-site composting for the wet waste, and then the the recyclables being given to a waste worker who further gives it for recycling, and the rest rejects is actually sent to the landfill. So if you look at it, that is what the whole process is.
As far as waste is concerned, once it went from our house, we didn't know what happens. Now we are conscious that we are trying to contribute something towards environment. And secondly, it has created some group of people, community feeling.
When that waste, that material or that resource actually then finally gets converted into something valuable and comes back, that's when you and I can say that yes, we've done our bit.
As a company, early last year we announced this a very ambitious packaging vision called World Without Waste. So part of this larger goal is also to help people understand how, what and where to recycle. So that's how the whole idea of Alag Karo came into being.
Segregation at source is the holy grail of waste management, sustainable waste management, and that concept is what GIZ wanted to support.
The aim is to promote source segregation in Gurugram, so that the learning from this project can be used for promoting source segregation across the country.
Without the help of entrepreneurs like Green Bandhu, NGOs like Sahas, and the citizens as a whole, we won't be able to achieve Swachh Bharat.
So वो चीज़ हमने मिलके करी है, ये बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है हमारे लिए, and we are so proud of it.
अगर सही अर्थों के अंदर हम शहर को वास्तव में साफ सुथरा रखना चाहते हैं तो ना केवल उनको हर चीज़ को अलग करना ही सीखना होगा, बल्कि जितना ज़्यादा वो खुद उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं वहीं पर वो भी उनको यूज़ करना चाहिए.
Initial reaction is, oh, you want me to really work on my waste and you want me to segregate, to people actually segregating and they further encouraging others to segregate. That really gives me a lot of motivation and energy.
अलग करो, अपना ये तो मैं 1-1.5 साल से सुन के आ रही हूँ, लेकिन हुआ नहीं। अब हुआ है।